transaction. A sequence of many actions which are considered to be one atomic unit of work is called transaction. Customer pays with credit card. Merchant captures credit card information. Upon approval by card issuing bank, the merchant account is credited and the transaction is submitted for settlement. Back-end processor pays the acquirer and debits the card issuer account. Transaction is sent to issuer. Acquirer funds the merchant's account. Issuer posts the transaction to the customer's account. Customer receives statement and pays the issuing bank. A transaction is a logical unit of work. Start statement, begin transaction. End statement, commit. Execution errors, rollback. Redo and undo. A transaction is an action or a series of actions carried out by a single user or an application program which reads or updates the contents of a database. A collection of actions that make consistent transformations of system states while preserving system consistency. Transactions are a mandatory facility for maintaining the integrity of a database while running multiple concurrent operations. A sample transaction, that is pseudocode. Begin transaction. Update account 123. Balance is equal to balance minus 100. If any error occurred, then go to undo and if. Update account 456. Balance is equal to balance plus 100. If any error occurred, then go to undo and if. Commit. Go to finish. Successful termination. Undo. Rollback. Successful termination. Finish. Return. The purpose of the above pseudocode transaction is to transfer the sum of 100 from account 123 to account 456. The above diagram explains about number of concurrently executing transactions T1, T2 and so on up to T6. Assume that the database starts execution of transactions at time Ts, fails at time Tf and disk crash at time Tc. Transaction T1 and T6 had not committed at the point of disk crash, so the recovery manager must undo the transaction at the start. The recovery manager would be forced to redo transactions T2, T3, T4, T5.